If your WhatsApp account was hacked, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your hacked WhatsApp account the easy way, and at the end I'm going to show you how to protect it so no one is going to hack your WhatsApp again. Make sure you stick to the end of this video. All right, let's begin. Now I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step on how to do this on my phone screen right here. So the first thing you need to do is to check if your WhatsApp account is still active. Okay, so use another phone number or ask a friend to check your number on WhatsApp. So if they can see your profile picture just like this one right now, it means your WhatsApp is still active. So but if you see that your profile picture has been changed or strange message are being sent out, that means the hacker is already using your account and you need to be very fast with your action. So, and if possible, you can message your close friends and family to tell them that your WhatsApp account was hacked earlier, so they won't send money to scammers. I'm sure you understand me. So once you can confirm that your account is active, the next step is to log the hackers out of the account. So to do that, you're going to open your WhatsApp like you want to log in. So you're going to input your number and click on next. So WhatsApp will send a code. Now listen carefully, don't enter that code yet, okay? So because the hacker will also get that same code. Instead, you need to go back and try again. So type your number again and request another code. So keep doing this over and over again, like 3 or 4 times. After some trials, so WhatsApp will stop sending the code and show a message like try again later or try again in the next 24 hours. That message is a good sign. It means WhatsApp has logged the account and logged out every device using it at that time, so even including the hacker. So now wait for the time WhatsApp gave you. It is usually 12 to 24 hours. So after that, you're going to come back to that same sign up page. So you're going to type your number again. Now request the code again. This time the code should come only to your phone number. So you're going to enter the code and you are going to log in successfully. So if you can now open your chat, congratulations, you have your account back. But don't stop yet, you need to protect that account. So to protect your account, go to WhatsApp setting, click on account, then tap two-step verification. So you're going to turn it on and set digits pin that only you know. Okay, so this pin will be needed anytime you or anyone tries to log in again. So without that pin, no one else is going to use your account. Okay, your WhatsApp account is finally safe. And after that, you are going to need to enter a recovery email address. So you're going to input it, so that helps you if you forget your pin. If you use this method and you still can't get the code or you are logged out immediately when you sign in, you need to contact WhatsApp support. So you are going to need to go to the official WhatsApp site, then go to contact us page, or you can send an email to support@whatsapp.com. So in the message, write something like this: so hello WhatsApp team, my account was hacked, please help me recover it. So something like that. It includes phone number and the country code. You can attach a screenshot if possible, so and you will surely get your account back. So from now on, never share your OTP or login code with anyone. So always keep the two-step verification on and make sure you use a strong digit pin, and don't install strange apps that ask for phone permission. If your WhatsApp got banned or hacked, tap the video popping on your screen right now to get it unbanned immediately. So if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I will reply and help you out. Stay safe and stay smart.